Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel 360 Crypto. I'm your host Eric and I go by 360. It's been a long time, I haven't uploaded a video. Today's video we're going to be going over definitions in crypto. We're going to get this video going. As always, we're going to go over the market really quick. Alright guys, as always, if you guys do me a favor, go to Instagram and follow my social media 360 Crypto. I'll be reposting other Instagrams that I see very interesting. Thank you for being here, I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. All right, we're gonna get started with the bubbles really quick. Bitcoin is currently sitting at 37,000 for the week. Over a month, we're down 19%. Right now, guys, is a really good time to be accumulating Bitcoin. Again, I know it's impossible. You're telling yourself, oh, it's too much, 30,000. Right now is a good time to go ahead and start stacking those stats. If you would have bought last week, you would be up 7%. Month to date, it's down from 48,000, but everything that goes up has to come down, guys. Again, this is a perfect time to start accumulating. We're gonna move on really quick to this video. This video is actually gonna be talking about cryptocurrency definitions. I'm gonna list the link in the description for you guys can see it and go over it. But today it's gonna be a really quick video. Hope you guys enjoy it. All right, guys, so we're here. I'm gonna go ahead and list this link so you guys can go over it. I don't want this video to be too boring, but we're gonna go right into it. These are terms and definitions that you're gonna hear once you enter the crypto space, the blockchain space. Again, it says right here, crypto terms you should know. So these are the terms that you should know in crypto, and we're gonna go over them alphabetical order. The first one is altcoin, and it gives you the definition of an altcoin. An altcoin is a coin that's not Bitcoin. Altcoins can be anything from a second most popular coin, aka Ethereum, to any of the thousands of coins with very minimal market value. Experts say you should largely stick to the bigger, most mainstream cryptocurrencies as an investment. This is 100% true. So when I started investing, I got into a bunch of little coins and it threw me off. My portfolio was too spread. I had to reallocate all my investments into Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and so forth and so forth. Altcoins are metaverse tokens, Defy tokens, and anything that pretty much is not Bitcoin. Bitcoin, the first and most valuable cryptocurrency, launched on June 3rd, 2009. While its volume has climbed steadily since then, it has seen wild fluctuations. In the past months alone, the price of Bitcoin has fluctuated from a record high of 60,000 to below 30. And that's where we're at right now, guys. So that's the definition for Bitcoin. Now we move on to the next one, Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system that formed from a fork of an original Bitcoin, where Bitcoin is widely accepted as a too volatile to be useful as a currency. Bitcoin Cash is designed to better optimize for transactions. That is 100% true. But again, Bitcoin is always going to be king. Bitcoin is not considered altcoin, so Bitcoin Cash will be considered altcoin. The fork definitions right here as well, so we'll go over it as we get to that later. So the next word, block. Groups of data within a blockchain. On cryptocurrency blockchains, blocks are made up of transactions. Records as users buy and sell coins. Each block can hold only a certain amount of information. Once it reaches that limit, a new block is formed to continue the chain. So that's what block is. So now blockchain, a digital form of record keeping and the underlying technology behind cryptocurrencies. A blockchain is the result of sequence blocks that build upon one another, creating a permanent and unchangeable ledger of transactions or other data. That is the definition for blockchain. Now we're moving on to the next definition, coin, a representative storage of digital value that lives on a given blockchain or cryptocurrency network. Some blockchains have the same name for both the network and the coin, like Bitcoin. Others can have different names for each, like the Stellar blockchain, which has a native coin called Luma. Coinbase, a popular centralized crypto exchange. Coinbase made history recently as the first crypto exchange to go public on the NASDAQ. Coinbase is now a public trading company that you can trade on the stock market. They made big news. So not only you can buy crypto from them, but you can also invest into Coinbase through Robinhood, through M1. And again, all the links for you to earn money are listed below the video. So you guys can earn money while you buy Bitcoin, or you want to invest in Robinhood, you can also earn money. And again, this is not a paid sponsorship. Again, all those links down there are my personal links, so you guys can earn money. Cold wallet, cold storage. So this is the definition: a secure method of storing your cryptocurrency completely offline. Many cold wallets also called hard wallets, are physical devices that look similar to a USB drive. This kind of wallet can help protect your crypto from hacking and theft. Through it also comes with its own risks, like losing it along with your crypto. So most people have their cryptocurrency wallets stored on hard drives, and they take it off the internet and it becomes a cold storage. If you have a ledger, that's considered a cold wallet. If you have it on an exchange, it's considered a hot wallet. Cryptocurrencies, a type of currency that's digital and decentralized. Cryptocurrencies can be used to buy and sell things or as a long-term store of value. That's the definition for cryptocurrencies. Decentralized, the principle of distributing power away from the central point. Blockchain are traditionally decentralized because they required majority approval from all the users to operate and make changes rather than a central authority. A decentralized is technically blockchain that's not owned by any entity like a bank or PayPal or Cash App, etc., etc., etc. That's why cryptocurrencies is a big push to the future. Now, as we move on, decentralized finance, DeFi. This is the definition. Financial activities conducted without the involvement of an intermediary, like a bank, government, or other financial institutions. Now we move on. Decentralized application, short for known as DApps. Applications designed by developers and deployed on the blockchain to carry out actions without intermediaries. Decentralized finance activities are often completed using decentralized apps. Ethereum is the main network supporting activities in the decentralized finance. There is other programs like Solana, AVAX, but yeah, that's what's called decentralized finance, decentralized application, DApps. And believe it or not, a lot of these banks are scared of it because you can get loans, you can borrow money, etc., on the blockchain. As we move on, digital gold. Experts sometimes compare specific cryptocurrencies to the real gold based on the way it can store and increase in value. Bitcoin is commonly referred to as the digital gold. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by trade volume. Ethereum is a crypto network and software platform that developers can use to create new applications and has an associate currency called Ether. Exchange. A cryptocurrency exchange is a digital marketplace where you can buy and sell cryptocurrency. Coinbase, you have Binance, you have Gecko, you have Bittrex, you have a ton of exchanges coming up. Now here's the definition for fork, as we said earlier. Fork. When a blockchain user makes changes to its rule, these changes to the protocol of a blockchain often result in two new paths. One that follows the old rules and a new blockchain that splits off from the previous one. For example, Bitcoin resulted in Bitcoin Cash. Now we have the definition gas. A fee that developers have to pay to Ethereum network in order to use the system. Gas is paid in Ether, the native cryptocurrency of Ethereum. So other cryptocurrencies do use the term gas. You have AVAX, but they're lower cost, Solana. So when you hear the word gas, you're just paying the fee for the transaction for the miners. Genesis block, the first block of cryptocurrency ever mined. Now this term you're going to see it a lot. It's hold, but they say huddle, and it stands for hold on for dear life. Through the term originated from a user typo on Bitcoin forum in 2013, it refers to a passive investment strategy in which people buy and hold onto cryptocurrencies instead of trading it in hopes that it increase in value. I am a holder. You guys should hold too. Do I trade? Yes, but I have a small trading portfolio. Now we move on. Halving, a future written into Bitcoin's code in which after a certain number of blocks are mined, typically every 4 years, the amount of new Bitcoin entering circulation gets halved. The halving can have an impact on Bitcoin's price. So as Bitcoin gets older, the miners, the guys doing the transactions, get less and less Bitcoin from being mined. I think we're at 4. The next halving should be in 2024. Now we move on. Hot wallet, a software-based cryptocurrency wallet connected to the internet. While more convenience for quickly accessing your crypto, these wallets are a bit more susceptible to hacking and cybersecurity attacks than a offline wallet. Just as files you store in the cloud may be more easily hacked than those locked in safe in your home. Currently, I hold most of my crypto and hot wallets on exchanges that pay me interest. Again, not your keys, not your coins. I have probably 2 cryptocurrencies that are off on a ledger. Again, it's how you feel, what you want to do. So yes, you can get hacked, the exchange can get hacked, or you can lose pretty much everything. Initial coin offering stands for ICO, a way that funds are raised for a new cryptocurrency project. ICOs are similar to initial public offerings, IPOs of stocks. Market capitalization. Cryptocurrency market capitalization refers to the total value of all the coins that have been mined. You can calculate a crypto's market cap by multiplying the current number of coins by the current value of coins. Mining, the process whereby new cryptocurrency coins are made available and the log of transactions between users is maintained. Bitcoin does that. Ethereum, once it upgrades to the new 2.0, you won't be able to mine anymore, but there is other cryptocurrencies that you still mine. Node, a computer that connects to a blockchain network. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, guys. Here's the definition for that. Non-fungible tokens are units of value used to represent the ownership of unique digital items like art or collectibles. NFTs are most often held on the Ethereum blockchain. Peer-to-peer, 2 users interacting directly without a third party or intermediary. No more banks, no more PayPal. Give me your address, I'll send you Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies. Public key, your wallet address, which is similar to your bank account. You can share your public wallet key with people or institutions so they can send you money or take money from your account when you authorize it. Private key, the encrypted code that allows direct access to your cryptocurrencies, like your bank account password. You should never share your private keys. Never, ever share your private keys, guys. Public key is fine, private keys, never. Satoshi Nakamoto. So Satoshi Nakamoto is the creator of Bitcoin. No one knows the true identity of Nakamoto or if it's more than one person. Smart contract, an algorithm program that interacts the terms of a contract automatically based on its code. One of the main value proposition of Ethereum network is the ability to execute contracts. There's more cryptocurrencies doing the same thing. In the long term, we'll see more better stabilized cryptocurrencies doing that, which is going to be used in the Defy system. Token, a unit of value on a blockchain that usually has some other value propositions besides just a transfer of value like a coin. Vitalik, programmer who invented Ethereum in 2015. Wallet, a place to store your cryptocurrency holdings. Many exchanges offer digital wallets. Wallets may be hot, online software based, or cold offline, usually on a device. So we went over hot wallets and we went over cold wallet. That's the definition for wallet. And we went over the last couple of words. I got a few more for you guys that you probably might see over and over and again. So these are other definitions that you might hear. And to be honest with you, it's really good to know these. We went over blocks, but if you ever hear DYOR, it stands for do your own research. Make sure you do your own research when you're trying to buy a new cryptocurrency, trying to get into something, whether it be stocks, whether it be cryptocurrencies, whether open up some kind of investment. Always make sure you do your own research. Lightning Network, a second layer on the Bitcoin network that allows instant micro payments. So Bitcoin from 2009 till now, they created a Lightning Network, which is a lot faster to basically send Bitcoin to and from. BRR. BRR describes the sound the money printer makes when government prints money. And right now, our government's printing a lot of money. We're doing inflation. So BRR, burr. And now these are other words you're going to hear when you're trading. GM, good morning, obviously. GN, good night. GMI means gonna make it. So when people are trading, GMI, we're gonna make it. We're gonna hit whatever the call was at. And GMI, we're not gonna make it. So if you're in a trading group or you ever hear that from me or any other cryptocurrency influencer, that means we're not gonna make it. Bitcoin is crashing, etc., etc. We went over hold. Another one that you probably will end up hearing is FUD. It stands for fear, uncertainty, and doubt. So when you hear FUD, you're gonna hear fear, uncertainty, and doubt. PFP, profile pic, which is not really used. When everybody says when mooning, when this, when whatever, right? Rug, when someone says rug pull or rug, it's a scam. Be careful with that. Floor means the prices of the cheapest NFT or the prices lower of any cryptocurrency. If you're following CRO hit $1 and the floor price came down to 36 cents. So the floor price was 36 cents. That was the cheapest you can buy it. Moon, everybody wants Bitcoin and any cryptocurrencies to 10x. So they'll say moon, very high price. When are we mooning? When are we going Lambo moon? And again, guys, thank you guys for tuning into the channel. This video is really quick. The link is going to be in the description for the definitions. Thank you guys again. Don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Stay safe. Peace out, guys.